Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import a PDF in Behance. So first of all, come here on behance.net, then simply log in into your Adobe account if you haven't already. Now over here on the explore page or on the dashboard of Behance, simply just hover to the share work and click on the option of project. Now when you are here on the project creation page, you just have to look for the option of PDF, but here as you can notice the PDF option is not available. So Behance doesn't currently accept PDF files directly as regular project content. Instead, you will need to convert the pages of your PDF into the JPG or the PNG images before uploading them. So you can just simply open a new web browser or a new tab in your web browser, and then you can just simply search for PDF to image tool converter, and then you can just simply convert each and every page of your PDF into a JPG or the PNG file. Now once you have that format is available, you can click on the option of image. Then from your device you just have to select that particular image. After selecting it, simply wait for some time until it is uploading, and when the content is added successfully, you just have to simply click on the option of publish in order to publish it. Now if you want your visitors to view the original PDF, then Behance also supports embedding the content from Scribd. So you need to upload your PDF on Scribd, then copy the embed code from there. Afterwards you can click on the option of embed here, and then you can just simply paste that link. So that's how you can basically import a PDF into Behance. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.